Hi guys, welcome to मैं Unfiltered, and in today's video I'm going to share my Ramzan preps living in Australia. So सुबह की शुरुआत हुई एक फ्रेश एंड वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग मॉर्निंग वॉक से जो कि मैं यूजुअली यहाँ डेली ही करती हूँ. सो समटाइम्स आई वुड डू वॉक इन द इवनिंग एंड समटाइम्स इन द मॉर्निंग. सो इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स ऑन माई मूड. आज का मौसम बहुत ही अच्छा था तो 1 घंटे मॉर्निंग वॉक करने के बाद और इस क्यूट सी कैट के साथ खेलने के बाद जो कि मेरे घर के जस्ट बगल में ही रहती है, आई वॉज फीलिंग सो रिफ्रेश्ड एंड ऑल सेट फॉर द डे. After that, I reached home and prepped for my breakfast. So I made a very delicious chicken sandwich today. After that, I also prepped my lunch because it was gonna be a busy day. So I made vegetable pulao and it was very tasty. After that, I got ready and me and my husband left for the day, and it was a grocery shopping day, and we have like a big list for the grocery shopping of Ramzan. So it was a very pleasant day as you can see, and we reached the square where most of the shopping centers are, and we usually do our shopping from here only. Firstly, we went into the Big W to check up on their clothing and kitchen section, and I must say they always impress me with their new collections. I needed to buy some new bed sheets and quilt covers for my bedroom, and they had really good color collection and very good fabric also. I got some from there. After that, I went into the kitchen sections and I bought some utensils and crockeries for my kitchen. You can find every possible thing you need in your home in Big W. So if you are in Australia and prepping for Ramzan and want to stock up on some utensils and crockeries and some essentials, you must head to Big W because they have a vast variety of options and you will find everything you want. उसके बाद हमने शुरू कर दी अपनी ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग. सो वी स्टॉक अप ऑन सो मच vegetables because I love eating vegetables. After that, we just got some halal ice cream also. Whenever you are buying ice creams in Australia, just make sure they are halal. And after that, we got some yogurt, some strawberries, some vanilla, some green teas, and so much more. I just kept on putting things into my cart. The fruits and veggies section is huge, and we got so many fruits for this Ramadan. And I was sure to add some berries, mangoes, and bananas, and whatever just required to keep a healthy diet this Ramadan. उसके बाद मैंने ली कुछ और सब्जियाँ बिकॉज रमज़ान के टाइम यू जस्ट नीड सो मच वेजिटेबल्स फॉर द पकौड़ाज और if you want to make any curry or anything else and you are not like during fasting you cannot go outside your house to buy these things very often because you are tired and just indulge in so much work. So I decided to just stock up on whatever I will require like for the next 15 days so I don't need to go again and again for the grocery shopping. I just added some namkeens also for the munching thing. After that, I wanted to buy some red chilies and bell peppers for my dishes because I love making spicy food. उसके बाद हमने कुछ सैलड का सामान भी खरीदा, सो सम cucumbers, some carrots and so many other veggies also, because me and my husband love to eat salads. It's a must. We also added some biscuits and different varieties of cookies. Also we bought 5 liters pack of cooking oil, like pack of 2. So these were the things that we bought from this store, and we were just totaling up everything. I didn't show you guys each and everything because it was not possible to actually shoot everything. But yeah, then we went to buy some meat, and here was this fresh halal chicken store. So we stocked up on so much chicken and keema and other marinated chickens as well, which whatever we would require during our Ramzan. After that, we went to this Turkish store where they sell very vast variety of dry fruits and some other stuffs also. We love to buy it from here. So we stocked up on some walnuts, some cashews, some pista, some figs, and after that we bought some cakes as well. I love muffins, that too dark chocolate muffins, so I bought those, and we also bought some buns and some other stuff as well. We did a whole lot of grocery shopping and it took whole day. Like you can see the sun has already set, so we head back to our home and we were very tired. This was all the things that I bought today, and it was time to just arrange them properly. After that we had some tea and snacks, and it was nachos with some salsa. I love this combo. फिर कुछ देर रेस्ट करने के बाद हमने प्लान करा था कि हम डिनर कहीं बाहर ही करेंगे. सो वी हेड आउट टू दिस very special restaurant, which is a Lebanese restaurant, and they sell very delicious chicken and rice. It is our favorite place and it was very delicious, very creamy, very tasty, full of flavors. The rice was so cooked and so delicious. It is the next day, and today I'm going to decorate my room for the Ramazan. So I put these little fairy lights in my room. Nothing so extraordinary. I just wanted to keep it simple yet pretty. So I decorated these. After that, I made some frozen kebabs and froze them for the rest of the month. After that, I did some cleaning, some laundry, some dusting, and I cleaned the whole house. After that, I just arranged my fridge properly. Whatever the things I bought yesterday, I rearranged them in all the sections, as you can see. After that, I set up my praying place. So I put this very beautiful, very pretty pink janimas that I bought from Makkah, Saudi Arabia, and I also got a matching tasbih with it, and it looked so pretty. So I set all these things in a separate room, and that was all, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in the next one.